Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export your board in Trello. This is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, open up your board, so in my case it is this board. And now in order to export it, I will have to go right here to these three dots, click on it, and then simply click on Print, Export and Share. Now, once you are here, click on Export as CSV if you want to export your board in CSV format. If you want to export your board in JSON format, click on Export as JSON. You can also copy a link to your board here or show a QR code of your board. So click on Export as JSON or Export as CSV and your board should be exported like so. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.